Cooking with Eliza Jane. Today we're making cucumber salad. Let's get cooking. So first we need to slice up our vegetables. We need tomatoes, both fruits and vegetables, tomatoes, an avocado, cucumbers, and fresh basil from my garden. The cucumbers are from my aunt's garden, so thank you. So first let's dice up the small tomatoes to get over it because I'm scared. One done. We'll be right back after this is all done. Now it's time to put all our food, as in our cucumber, tomato, avocado, basil, and we decided to put onion into this bowl. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is not going good. This is not going good. Okay. We'll be right back. Now, let's mix it. Now let's add some olive oil. Salt. Let's add a bit more actually. Pepper. That should be good. Oregano. And then garlic. My favorite. Garlic. And now mix it. Stir that up. And mix it up. Oh no. Going all over. Be gentle, you don't want to smush the avocado. Then it'll turn into guac. We'll be right back. Now it's time to taste test. Get a bit of cucumber. Yeah. Real good. This is fun if you're just looking for something easy to cook. And it's also delicious. And it's so good. I did it all. That's it for Cooking with Eliza Jane. Thanks for watching. Bye. Yum. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye. Time for more. Oh boy. This is so good, guys. We should definitely make it. I'm trying to eat more again. I'm just trying to keep hungry.
Better save some for me.
No. It's all for me.
No, I'm eating some.
No, you will not.